Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to thank you for stopping back again. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how I get two looks out of my cornrows that I had in my hair. This is the second look, or the last look. It's like a top bun, messy bun situation. Not sure what to call it, but if you're going to go on a date, or if you're just hanging out with your friends and you want to look a little extra cute, if you're going out and you have a nice dress with your back out, so this will be a nice updo for you to wear. My hair is natural, so all I did was just, braided my hair down and I took it out, and then I created this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so to achieve the two looks that I'm going to do today, my hair, I just have 5 cornrows in my hair. So let me just turn around so you can see the back. Just 5 cornrows going down. So that's how we're gonna start out, and then we're gonna just take out the braids. My hair is natural. All I did was about 2 days ago, I washed my hair and I blow dried it, and I used the pressing comb just to lighten up my hair a little bit, and then I put 4 braids, and yesterday I just decided to put 5 to make it a little smaller. So we're just gonna achieve these 2 looks that if you're going out somewhere, you don't want to look so plain, then you'll just try to be a little extra with your hair. All I'm doing is just taking it out, taking out the braids. All right, take your time. I braided my hair, and then when I got to the end of it, I just kind of did like a little twist. And then my cornrows that I did, they were not too tight. This look is going to be very simple. Okay, let's continue taking out our braids. We just have 2 more. So, if you're going out on Valentine's Day, or if you just have natural hair in general and you're going somewhere, you don't want to look, too plain, you just try to spruce up your hair a little bit, we can do this look. You can do braids instead of cornrows. I just chose to do cornrows so I just wanted to see how it would look. Okay, so just take your time, when you're taking them out. Alrighty. You're gonna see how simple this is. Simple and easy. As I stated before, if you can't do cornrows, just do some big plaits. You will kind of achieve the same results with the plaits. Basically, all I'm going to do is just rub a little bit of some moisturizer that I have. Whatever you have, you can use. Sometimes, because I had a little bit of edge control, sometimes you have that on and your hair looks a little, white looking in the front. So all I'm doing is using this big comb and basically just, just kind of fluff it out a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. making sure you can't see the parts where I had the braids. Okay. You can use a regular comb like this, or you can use a pick. A pick will probably work better, but I don't have a pick right now. I'm just using what I have. Pick out the back to separate the parts. Just kind of bring it in your face a little bit. This is just like, you know, heatless. You don't have to put any heat on your hair. The less heat you put on your hair when it's natural, the better. You can do heat sometimes, but not all the time. So basically, guys, that's all you do. You just fluff out your curls, right? You know, pull the sides down. And that's it. That's the first look, right? Now for the second look, you're gonna need a comb, some hairpins, and a little hair tie or scrunchie. Have everything that we need. All I'm going to do is just separate this little part here in the front, right? With this part on the other side. Just gonna get a hairpin for now. And just, you know, get this out of the way. So I call this a messy, sexy updo. So you just gather all of your hair. I'm not really going to comb it. Just gather it like to the top. You're going to kind of do like a bun, like a top bun or a high bun. So basically, just, you know, push the hair up. I don't know how it's looking back here, but that's just the idea. Sorry guys, my camera died. I had to go and make some, not died, but I ran out of space. I had to go and make some space. So basically, as I was stating before, just gather everything up top here, right? Just looking like this on the sides and looking like this on the back. And you don't want to make it too tight, and you take the scrunchie, you put around it like once, twice. I do it 3 times, right? And then I'm just gonna get this little piece right here. Just take the end of it, like push it into like a little ball like that. And then get a bobby pin and just stick it in there. Take out the pin. And just try to tuck the ends under to hide it, right? And then just you just push the pin to secure the braid, to secure the secure your little bun that you're trying to do. Okay. So as you can see, it's not very neat. If you choose, you can add some hair to it, but I'm just trying to wear my hair, so then you get a pin and like tuck this little piece in here tuck it in on the side. We're not sure how it looks, but and then we just, when you're done, you just take the two pieces that you have in the front and, you know, kind of stretch them down. Make them a little flatter without putting any like curling iron or flat iron on it. So that's just how I take it from the first look to this look. So it's kind of like a messy bun with the side bangs. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. All right, let me turn around so you can see the back. I don't know how my pins are hiding, but you get the idea, right? And that's about it. So I want you guys to leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of this cute little top bun situation. I don't know what to call it. So that's all we have for today. Let me zoom you in a little so you could see the front. I like it. It looks sophisticated and sexy at the same time. So there you have it. And I try to make my eyes look a little Valentine-ish pink, even though this look is not definitely for Valentine's Day. But if you're going on a date, you can do this look if you wear like a nice dress. So you can have your hair, especially if your back is out. So you can have your hair off your back. You can just do your hair like this. It's very cute. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. This is how my look turned out. I hope that you guys enjoy watching the tutorial. I hope that it was easy to follow. It was just something that I thought of, very simple and quick. So if, you know, just to kind of spruce up your hair just a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think of this look. And let me know if you would try it in your hair. So don't forget, while you're here, to please subscribe to my channel. Also, please turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Don't forget, turn on your post notification, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.